Ain't been here for a minute. They got a freaking line? Like a 2-minute wait. And here we got the same 40% off clearance apparel and 30% off the back wall. But I did forget to check the heat section, see what's up here. Not too much going on. For the East LA, had some of these yesterday, or was it yesterday before? Some of these, but it was only 20% off. Nothing crazy here, so we'll come back. And we're definitely gonna be hitting up the back wall where we get 30 off. Where we see these for 170, just like we did at East LA. Those are the GT Cut 4 preheats. We got Kobe 9 Elite highs right here, 140, size 8.5. Got size 9 right here as well. We got these LeBrons. What are they talking about? 140. I was like, what are these? I thought these were like some. No, these are the Gatos. Another price, $45. More of the Kobe Elites. It looks like those came out the aisles. Got LeBron. Oh, these ain't LeBrons. I was looking at those. But yeah, I do got these for 110. GT Hustle 3s. These are the Wembenyama. Why can't I ever say his name? What's up? What? Colorway right there. 110. Wembenyama. Why couldn't I say it all of a sudden? 110 for the dunks. That's way too crazy high. LeBron 22s right here. 110. These are 140. Nothing is where it belongs, like size-wise and stuff. Got Flight Legacies, $50. Got these dunks right here, $90. Yo, oh, what the? I was like, what the F? These are some golfs right here. Jordan 14 last shot colorway of the golfs. I was like, what the F? What the F? What the F? But yeah, it is regular price. I was about to go ballistic. I was like, what the hell? How the hell do they got these here? Yeah, but they got me. They busted the juke move, 120. Let's see what's going on with the clearance apparel. What is this? Tech Pack. A lot of you guys really like this stuff right here. Feels very premium. 160 on these bad boys right here. It's a pullover. There's the XXL. Jordan t-shirt right here, $30. Got a Jordan emblem. It is embroidered on there, not too bad, pretty thick too. That is a medium. They do got these in different sizes. Normally 220, down to 160. Do get 40 off. Goes under 100. Do got these practice Lakers jerseys right here. What the who's buying that? $75. Mamba merch right here. Look at this. Mamba merch hasn't been moving as much. Probably has been moving, but they've been just making a lot more of it, which is good for Kobe fans. $55 for this hoodie. It's a small. Got Tech fleece with the bluish, purplish hue. 115 down to this 80. That's $48 with that 40% off. Got 24/7 pants right here, fleece pants, $55. Got this $45. Who had the jerseys? Someone had jerseys that were like similar to that color right there. $45. What is this? Oh, it's a golf slacks. The material just seemed definitely interesting. 106. Cargo pants, but no belt loops. 60 for those. Check out the other 3 racks in a minute. Is this Mamba? That's kind of interesting. Yeah, Sherpa material, $60. But we'll check out some of the sneakers, the clearance sneakers. It's pretty packed here. And for being so packed, this isn't like the biggest outlet. I think they're expanding though. I'll show you guys what I saw outside. 110. Another colorway, or another one of these. This is 11.5. 11.5. This doesn't look that big though. 11.5, 110. In a Kobe box, they threw. What the hell? Size 10 Jordan 1s, 140 for these Jordan 1 highs. Equality Jordan. Got these Equality LeBron 22s, 140. Metcon 75. I got the 11 and above. 110. We got these in plenty of size. These are size 10 still though. Oh, got these just like Watts. The Chinese New Year colorway. I don't know. Air Max DNs. Oh, this is like a Gore-Tex one or something. I don't know. But yeah, 190. 12 and above over here. Got Jordan mids right here for 100. Ja 265. I didn't see anybody excited for those. Ja 2s. DN8s. 130 size 12. Patent bred mids going for retail. Mine's 30. I was curious to see if these would be extended size price. No, 50 bucks. Still 35, so not bad. Got Kobe's right here. Pro Tro 314, 185. Air Max 95s right here, 150 size 9. Sneaker section wise, not too crazy. See if we can find something a little more exciting over here. Oh, what's this? What's this? Old school Deion Sanders jersey? Deion Sanders jersey, $90. 90 bucks. 40% off. We're gonna see if that fits in a minute. $30 for this Bulls Jordan shirt right here. 24/7 jacket. I like the 47 brand. Like material, a lot of plastic in it though, but 110. But it does feel super premium. Who's this? Tentacumpo jersey right here, 95. This is a small. Finally see a price on another Cunningham jersey, 70 for this one. Checking another aisle. Got more jerseys. Cunningham. Is that Uruguay? Huh? Uruguay jersey right here. This is a double XL, 100 bucks. But with that 40, not bad. All right, let me try this on. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Damn it, I'm so sad. They don't have any mirrors out here. I'm not trying to go to a fitting room. What the hell? Toro Bravos. Kind of matte. I think this is it. Other than the mirrors, other than the fitting room, it's slightly baggy. Yeah, that's kind of big, dude. I kind of prefer stuff a little tighter. That's crazy. A medium is too big. Mother lovers. I would so get this. I'm doing the math. It's like $50-something, but I don't like it. It's too baggy. So NBA jerseys, I'm kind of in between a medium and a small. Football jerseys, I need smalls. Dang it. Damn, makes me sad to put that back. Damn, Fisher 50-something. We do got LeBron t-shirts right here. It's kind of cool. It's kind of a cool t-shirt. Okay, I know. Let's see what they're talking about. $50. That's crazy. All right, I could ask one of the workers if they have a small, but I know that's a return, so not even gonna bother asking. Return. Speaking of returns, Kobe's right here. We saw these over there at Watts. No discount for the Toro Bravo 4s. These are Mind Bend shoes, size 9. These are kind of interesting. I don't really think they do much. It says Mind Science Department. I guarantee there's no science that shows this really does anything for you. 150. What do they call it? Pseudoscience. Probably one of those things. Got one of those at retail. Kobe, Gigi. These look like tap dancing shoes. 2 bills. Smaller size. I'm wondering what I missed out right there. But yeah, they got stuff. Of course, we need to check out the aisles. I'm starting with the end caps. I'm not seeing too much other than this. This is a going price right here, $165 for these bad boys. Do you got up to size 12s? I had a chance to get those at the clearance store for 100 bucks. I think I should have. They got all the generic J's right here, but they do got these Kobe's as well. Is this the home or away? I don't remember. The Kobe 9 Elite. Got more generic J's right there. Another one right here. Lowe's. Third one right here. We're gonna speed through this, man. We got a few mids. Budget basketball, except the LeBrons. Got shot 2s. Price going down, and then got a couple more. Another one on the backside. Zoom Freak 7s. City shoes. One of the budget shocks. Omero 5s. Would this match Lakers gear? Couple of horses right here. One of these Gore-Tex dunks. This color way is not it, but I think think these would be perfect for LA because we get rain, but it's not like crazy rain. Tech Challengers, Air Max 2017s. Got a plethora. These Rejuvenates, including these white ones right here for 45. Gray ones, orange ones for 35. Air Max 90s, quite a few colorways. Blue, crystal, black and white. DNs, 270s, some wannabe 270s right here. Got some World Cup shoes right here, Gatos. Got Vomeros, these are wides. They also have non-wides right here. And I think that's it. Damn, I keep walking by this. This makes me sad. Wait. What's going on right here? Got Tech Pack pants right here. It says 50% off. Multiple camo ones. I think these are both 95 a piece, but 50 off. This bright one right here, $90. And then, I was gonna say this jacket. This jacket is 100. I don't know about that two-tone though, but yeah, 50% off though. And Tech fleece 20% off, but 20% off retail. Yeah, I'm not digging that. I'm not digging that at all. Upstairs where they got the women's, they got the kids, and then they also have registers upstairs. You can come here. Sometimes they open it up, not all the time. Women's clearance section right here, a lot less packed. What's going on right here? Alpha Fly next percent right here. Go for regular price. At least you get 30 off, I guess. Better than full retail. Do got one of these, 115. Another thing where you're just happy to get 30% off of these because you don't find these on sale too often. This is a women's 11.5 to size 10 men's. Make sure you guys go down at least half a size on those. See a few of these. Wow. I heard they're changing the the cut on those, right? Supposedly making it less bulky and boxy. I don't know. Got Metcons, 65, 70 for these Jordan 4 RMs in a girly colorway, 70. Infinity Run 4s right here, $80. They're giving some extended size pricing. Oh wait, yeah, that one right there. Got a few, not too much. That's extended size priced. That is Jordan 1 lows right here, $90. Been seeing these for like way cheap. That was like early in the year. See Vomero Plus down here. What they talk? 130? 130 for these right here. Not the best colorway, but 30% off, under $100. Dunks going for 90. DNs right here going for 120. Got these are just regular Vomeros, 135. Another Alpha Fly here. These are really small size though. Very small, size 6. Regular price. I see a green price tag on this one. Does that mean anything? $60. That seems low for the A1s. Jordan 4s right here, $150 for these. These are size 9. Do another green tag right here. What they talk about? $90 for these. Looks not extended size price, but it does look like it's got an extra discount. Got Dunks right here, $90. All right, let's knock out the aisles over here. Where I see Air Max 270s, or 3 different sizes, 3 different colorways. Field Generals, light courts right here. Got these Jordan 1 MMs right here. These look so freaking weird. More traditional ones right here. This iridescent one where color slightly changes. Denim mids. Some Celtics high OGs. Another one right here. Couple of Dunks. The Next Nature Elemental Pinks. React, Rejuvenate, and Slides. Another slide right here. Ross Special, been seeing a bunch of these. They're called the Air Max Sanders. Sanders? What the hell? Air Max 95s. Multiple colorways. Couple of Vomero 5. Forces. Moonfly 6s. That's retail though. And a couple of the Vomero 18s. And Infinity Run 4s. I think that's it. They even have a line upstairs now. There's a few random things right here. When I was on vacation in Korea, I had one of these. It's not a Nike one, but I had one of these and I had it on my chest. This is actually like super useful. I had my passports and stuff. Mine was bigger because I had the passports and stuff like that. It was so freaking useful. 25% off, $20 for these. This isn't as big, so you can't throw your passports and stuff in there. But you can fit your wallet. This is for running. It's a waist pack, so it is for running. Got socks right here. The multiplier side. I don't know what the hell these are, but it's 25% off. $13. Normally $22 for a pair of socks. They got more socks right here. The vapor socks. This is the one. Is this the one? No, this isn't the one they use for soccer, but it is their like higher quality socks. It does have polyester in it. It is $10 for a pair. Normally $20, normally $22. And of course they do have a bunch of World Cup stuff right here. A lot of retail prices though. And I did see a graphic on social media that Adidas has more teams right now. They have more sponsorships for the World Cup, different teams and stuff than Nike, which is pretty dope. Because yeah, we do need some variety. We do. Of course, I'm more of a Nike fan by far, but I think competition helps with everything. I'm looking for cotton, all cotton shorts, and I have been struggling with that. Yeah, definitely don't see any here. I think we're done. This like might be close, but that's it. $40, actually $24 after the discount. That's actually not bad. The kid's not gonna like that huge Nike sign though. I think we're done. You guys. I meant to ask one of their workers if they're expanding or if they're moving, because I saw this sign right here, bigger and better, coming soon, and that's right next to the Nike store. So I don't know if they're expanding or I don't know if they're just taking this. I don't know. But I didn't get a chance to ask the workers. I forgot. My bad.